This is how to fix the LED module onto a Garrett Ace 250. First of all, you need the two Velcro strips. Here you need to stick one to the module and one to the Garrett Ace 250. So I've stuck one strip to the Garrett Ace 250 and another strip goes on the bottom of the LED module. You then simply fix one onto the other like so, and then using this strap tie this around and secure it. And that's the LED module safely secured onto the Garrett Ace 250. Next thing you need to do is to set it up so that you can watch the screen and also use the headphones. So you need the audio lead supplied, the splitter, this goes onto the detector here, and that goes into the hole in the back there. You then take this lead and put it in to one of the split holes, and then that goes into the back of the module, and then your headphones go into the other socket. You can now turn on the detector. And as you can see, the LED module lights up, and you can also hear the sound coming through the headphones. This is very useful if you're hard of hearing or deaf, and also it's good for detecting at night.